games down. One more game to go before we close things out mula dito sa loob ng Bren Z. Yao Convention Center as we are in our final elimination game day for your SNA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup para sa 19 under division. Taking a look at the Luwid 1 Kapampangan led by RJ Liwanag, who finished with 24 points and 4 steals in their win earlier against Clifton Tigers. They will be going up against a Palette I Love It, led by the Prince himself. More Prince Alaw. You're seeing RJ Liwanag there with 24 points and 4 steals. Habang he will be going up against the Prince. More Prince Alaw with 14 points and 2 assists. This is our final game for the 19 under bracket B. Laban ng Apalit I Love It with a 3-0 record going up against Luwid 1 Kapampangan with 2-1 record. Magandang gabi po ulit na Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and all over the world. Alvin Tanyada together with Coach Paul Joven, and working the sidelines for this game is Francine Capili. And don't forget to like and share our social media page, Sinag Liga Asia, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV. And right now, Coach Paul, a lot of implications in this matchup, just like yung kaninang laro sa 2300.
Exactly. Again, talking about complications, pag-usapan muna natin ang tournament format. Single round elimination, 10 teams, top 2 teams would advance to the semifinals, 1 versus 2, and then yun na nga, finals, knockout. It will be a knockout championship. Again, maayong gabi, kaninyong tanan, good evening to all of you. Talking about complication, alam natin, Alvin, sinong must-win dito? Okay, for both teams. It's a must-win for Luwid Pampanga. Kasi itong Apalit-Kapalit I Love It Pampanga is already booked a seat sa semifinals.
Yes, and coming up right now, it's the matchup between Luwid 1 Kapampangan and Apalit I Love It. And now, let's turn it over to Ram Valid for our Sinag starters of this matchup.
This is the Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase, presented to you by SLA Sinag Liga Asia, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, and Royce Hotel and Casino. This is our last game for the day 3 of the competition. It's the battle between Luwid 1 Kapampangan and your Apalit I Love It. And now let's meet the starting lineup of the protagonists. First, for your Apalit I Love It. Standing at guard, number 9, Elijah Yusey. Also at guard, number 11, Moore Alaw. At forward, number 6, Jam Eligado. Also at forward, number 13, Del Pozo. And center number 24, Gio Jamonte. Head coach for Apalit I Love It is Jay Shera. Assisted by Encho Serrano, Justin Baltasar, Romel Ochenko, Perry Gardner, Robert Pereira. Team manager June Tantanco. Assistant team manager Zach Glenn Dantin. And team owner Mayor June Tetanco. Your Apalit I Love It. And now let's meet the starters for your Luwid 1 Kapampangan. At guard number 15, Nico Tipino. Also guard number 24, RJ Liwanag. At forward number 18, EJ Sabasa. At forward number 00, AJ Luz Cuzo. And center number 16, General Bamnikel. Head coach for Luwid 1 Kapampangan is Jonathan Benedict Buwan, assisted by Ben G. Navarro and Levery Parker. Team owner and team manager Coach Jonathan Benedict Buwan. Game official, charge in action, Romel Austria, Adrian Andres, and Jason Martinez. Alternate referee, John Baca.
And now the Sinag starters now for Apalit 11 to have Elijah Yusi, More Alaw, George Diamante, Russell Del Pozo, and Jamir Heligado. Para sa Luwid 1 Kapampangan, Nico Topino, Russell Liwanag, and Will Banikid, and EJ Sapasap, and completing it is RJ Liwanag in the first quarter basketball. Kagad dito, possession will go to the guys in white. Alvin Tanyana together with Coach Paul Levin, and working the sidelines is our courtside reporter Francine Capili. To Diamante now. Diamante to More Alaw. More Alaw, a breakout game in that matchup against GDM Davao kanina. So he wants to continue that in this ballgame, but he was called for a travel.
We all know More Alaw. Alam niya kung kailan siya sa score. With this team, heavily loaded eh. Sa guard may Garcia ka dyan. Sa ilalim may Diamante ka. So kapag kailangan, titira yan.
Oo.
Pero, you know that itong si Alaw is more of a pass first point guard.
Yes, and we just got an update that Tebol Garcia, or Justin Garcia, the veteran known, is not going to play for this game. Pero, if they go on to win this ball game, as Amir Eligado scores, if they go on to win this ball game, there will be a surprise addition for tomorrow's game.
Okay, yun naman. Pausapan natin sa kapapanood pa lang dito sa live natin. No need for Apalit to win the game. Okay?
Okay.
It's a must-win for Luwid just to force that triple tie.
Yes. And the point system kasi.
Yeah, and then to play for the semifinal seat.
Yes, oo. Ang pinag-uusapan dito ngayon is the point system because for Lakas California to enter the next round, Luwid 1 Kapampangan needs to win yun lang. Kailangan manalo muna. At kung gaano kalaking puntos ba, kasi ang laki ng panalo nito Kapalit I Love It in their game against Lakas California. So we have to see kung ilang points yan. But again, sabi nga ni Coach Benedict Buwan kanina, we have to win big. And nothing is impossible going up against a strong squad such as Apalit I Love It.
Exactly. At alam naman natin sigurado itong Luwid, nag-compute na to Asap-asap going in the mid-air. Very aggressive here on our game.
Yes, EJ Sapasap, sabi nga niya, gusto niya makabawi kasi nga kahapon, graduation ng kanyang ate. He needs to be there. Let's take a look at Coach Jay Shera. Coach Jay Shera, ang dami ng pinagdaanan din yan. Being one of the top scoring guards before for Pampanga. Now he is coaching. Banikid scores a 3 here. So maganda ang simula dito ng Luwid 1 Kapampangan. The battle of the Pampanga squads here. Russell Del Pozo naman. The Mapua Red Robin missing that shot. Diamante. Last touchdown up. Let's take a look at the 3-point shot once again. Banikid, that nakastress on the portrait sa inyo Sun Sport official basketball from Sinag Ligasya. RJ Liwanag.
Even at night.
Tumutuloy pa.
Even at night, RJ nagliliwanag.
More Alaw naman, babawi ng 3. Wala. Rebound EJ Sapasap.
Just a bad shot there for Alaw. A bit of a force there.
Oh, extra passes there. Banikid scores.
No one is running on the transition defense for Apalit. Only Diamante was there.
And taking a look now, who is the one standing up to be the lead assistant coach? Walang iba kundi si Encho Serrano. Ipapahiya mo ba naman ang nag-iisang Encho Serrano?
Oh, the former DLSU Green Archers, the former Phoenix Fuel, and the current Pampanga
Ang dami
Delta sa FPBL.
Actually, pinagdaanan nito. Nag-champion na to sa iba't ibang level. Nag-3x3 pa to sa Hinebra. Di ba?
Ang dami na. A well-traveled man still playing on the top of his game.
Ay, ang gandang pasa. Amir Eligado. Kita mo yun?
Bastos yun.
Moralaw to Amir Eligado. That is a UE to Mapua connection.
Oo. You know, we need to see that on replay. Direct Nomar.
Sigurado yan. Meron yan. That assist of the quarter. Natin sa inyo ng SM South Mall. We've got it all for you. At tumingin pa siya dito. At itong pagtingin niya dito, nag-wink pa siya sa atin dito eh.
Oh, wow. What a play there.
That pass, Eligado, no good. And no good still dito para kay UC. O outlet pass. And Manikan scores. Oh, and Diamante going for a basket interference.
Yeah, clearly a goaltending there as a pass-up. Touchdown!
Grabe naman yung ganong klaseng atake. And Coach Jay Shera sabi, usap muna tayo. Time out on the floor. Time out on the floor. 13 to 8 hour score. 3 minutes and 45 remaining here in the first.
Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
CDO Food Sphere. Food that brings you home. And now, let's turn you over now to our courtside reporter, Francine Capini, with this report on the Prince himself, more Prince Alaw.
It won't be easy, but I'll try my best to give my 100% despite the pressure at Pagod, as what More Prince Alaw said, who was just the player of the game on one of their previous matches, but for a player like More, who's still high on adrenaline from his good performances, is very much expected to show up for his team, and alam niya nga that this is a very important game going up against Luwid 1, especially now that he's wearing the jersey of the only other Kapampangan team on their age bracket. Now back to you, Alvin and Coach Paul.
Thank you very much, Francine. Yes, talagang adrenaline. And the pass inside to Lucy for the score.
Sa pass-up now. You know, itong match-up nito eh. 1-2-2 zone sure for Abali. Itong si Alaw sa pass-up.
Oo, ay ngayon. Alaw to Eligado, another assist. Nice find by Alaw.
That's what I'm talking about. Alvin kanina, Alaw, a willing passer. Alam mo, konti na lang sila. A first pass point guard. Alam mo yung mga Jason Kidd, Gary Payton.
Yun, oo. Yung mga ganong klase na pasa. Stephen Marbury kind of passes, yung mga ganon eh.
Yes, but Stephen Murray is more of
More
a scorer.
tama. Pero kasi si Moore, whenever he has a chance to score, gagawa din yan. Pero scorer baka mo. Eto, Russell Del Pozo, a sure shooter for the Mapua Red Robins.
Oh, gandang bitaw eh. Akin liwanag, nag-drawing pa nakabaw sa ere. Mahirap yun.
RJ Liwanag.
In your face move against Diamante.
Now, it's more, ito yung matchup talaga, no? More Alaw kontra RJ Liwanag. Yan yung magandang babantayan nating matchup all throughout this game.
Yeah, but more, ako sa tingin ko lang, but before that, let's talk about this drive of Liwanag.
Yeah.
Nakaspool the quarter, atin sa atin ng Cable Link and Holding Corporation. Talking about matchup, siguro mas maganda yung matchup, Alvin, sa pass-up and Alaw. Kasi they're both playing guard. Liwanag kasi more of a scorer eh.
Shooting guard, yes. So, more of a shooting guard. But again,
Ang magandang lineup, matchup, wala si Garcia kasi eh.
wala si
Oh,
Tebol.
ito sana si Liwanag at Garcia.
For
But for sure, UC will answer that call.
Yes, and for sure, maya-maya magme-message siya sa akin yung si Tebol Garcia. Ba't hinahanap ko si Tebol Garcia dito sa lineup nila? But again, Tebol Garcia is a good friend of ours playing for the National University Bulldogs. Entering his first year, coming off that championship from the Adamson Baby Falcons in the UAAP. So, a lot of things will be expected from him, and I think They're just trying to double check on the lineup here. Dahil itong ginagawa kasi natin dito, before the start of the game, chine-check yung lineup nila and kung sino. And I think there is one player that is not in the lineup na gusto ipasok nito ni Coach Benedict.
I believe that is...
We have
Hindi naglaro to lahat kanina kasi.
these are the players, the same players. But the problem is, sino ba dito? Number 14 is there, number 16 is there, si Banikid.
Baka sa apalit. Baka sa apalit. They're
They
asking...
want to check. And I think, it's clarification. There you go. They want to double check kasi kung sino yung mga manlalaro na ito na nandito sa loob. Diamante will shoot free throws here. Oh, Amir Eligado. Smart play there.
Hindi.
Wala kasing tao sa ilalim
Exactly. Again, Luwid Kapampangan, they need to be on... kailangan mag-isip They need this win.
Yes, ito naman. Remote scores. Pero nakita mo yung ginawa na yun. Nandun sa ilalim for the box out. Amir Eligado. Wala ni isang Luwid 1 Kapampangan to get that rebound.
Exactly. As kapapasok mo lang, that's number 4 of
Franz De La Cruz.
De La Cruz of Apalit. Yun yung gusto natin Pagpasok, may pakita agad.
At alam mo ba ito si Franz De La Cruz? The last Delta Cup, this guy is a shooter. Yan yung kanilang gumawa dito as Ashton Novillo, another scorer, pero dos nun daw yan. So, these two players, Ashton Novillo and Franz De La Cruz, these are the players that we need to watch out for, followin para dito sa Apalit. I love it. And a timeout is called here by Luwid 1 Kapampangan. Lamang 3 ang Apalit. I love it.
Hi, ako nga po pala si Nico Aguilar ng TGC Santa Rosa Saints. Tutok lang dito sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
Taking a look at the lineup of Apalit, I love it. Big names there, such as itong sila, Franz De La Cruz, Tebol Garcia, a lot of players dyan. Ang daming mga manlalaro dyan. Russell Del Pozo, Amir Eligado, and Franz De La Cruz. Isa yan sa mga manlalaro na tubong Pampanga talaga. And he was that main scorer during that Delta Cup. And thank you very much, Derek Nomar. Meron tayong highlights coming from Franz De La Cruz.
Maganda yung substitution agad. Movilio and De La Cruz. Matic, 6 points agad. Wala pang isang minuto. As Liwanag, sky high.
And Russell or RJ Liwanag there. They go to the corner. Russell Del Pozo, no good. And there's a foul there inside. And I think the foul will be called on Banikid.
Alright, I believe it's in Remote.
O Remote pala, matatawagan doon.
Tama ka. Banikid pala.
Banikid yan, Kasi hindi na sila umalis dito sa gilid. And second of this lakas moment of the corner natin sa inyo ng Converge. Dahil sa Converge, doble na. Dinoble pa.
Pwede nga foul yun
Oo. Pero let's see now. They go inbound. Franz De La Cruz. Franz. Moving inside. Franz. No good. Rebound. Still no good. Takbuhan dito. Robillos, the layup and the score.
Sa pass-up, smart play. That's his third assist here on our first quarter alone.
Ashton now. Novillo moving in. But that's an offensive foul called on Ashton Novillo. First personal foul on Ashton. And Coach Jay Sierra and Coach Encho Serrano. Parang ang hirap sabihin Coach Encho Serrano, no?
Kaya at least, may afterlife sila sa basketball.
Yes, and not even here, another assistant coach of them. In the sky play. Wow!
Up the alley there sa pass-up and Liwanag.
And sabi ko sa iyo yung 1-2 combo na yan ng Luwid 1 Kapampangan can do wonders for them as they take a 3-point lead. EJ sa pass-up, only 4 points. But his orchestration, 4 assists. Let's take a look at some of the highlights here, wherein it was an RJ Liwanag show for Luwid Juan Kapampangan. Mga Kapampangan po ang bumubuhos dito. Franz de la Cruz, RJ Liwanag, and EJ Sapasap, and the rest of the Kapampangans very much proud of how they are performing here in your SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup. Naman po ng tatlo ang Luwid Juan Kapampangan, 27-24.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
With one of the key players, Justin Garcia, missing in action for a pallet on their last game of the eliminations. Ang sabi ni Coach John Benedict Buwan of Luwid Juan Kapampangan, hindi daw nila iniisip ito and they'll continue business as usual, stick to their game plan and give their 100%. Now back to you, Alvin and Coach Paul.
Thank you very much, friends. Francina Kapili, our courtside reporter. And right now we are about to start the second quarter rather of action. And EJ Sapasap has been playing well, orchestrating for this Luwid Juan Kapampangan. Pero nahuli nitong si Jimenez. And that's a foul there. Drew Jimenez, the Mapua Cardinal himself. So it's Drew Jimenez, Jaime Relegado, well represented here dito sa ating liga. Russell De Pozo, Mapua Red Robin. So very proud sigurado. Coach Randy Alcantara, Coach Nani Pundalan, Coach Yong Garcia, those coaches under the Mapua stable, very much happy sa pinapakita ng mga bata niya dito.
Oo, matagal na din dyan si Coach Randy Alcantara sa Mapua program. Dami na rin mga magagaling na player dyan. You have Lawrence Manggubat.
Yes, Lawrence Manggubat is going to be one of their point guards, helping itong si Clint Escamis, the NCAA MVP.
Sayang yung taga-Butuan doon na injury eh. Itong si J.R. Rivera, asap-pasap. This time scoring kanina, he's passing eh.
Siyempre, alam na nilang nitong Apalit I Love It na itong si Liwanag will be the one to score right now. So they have to step up. Talking about this one. And RJ Liwanag scoring inside once again.
Even though what night, RJ nagliliwanag for Luwid Pampanga.
Luwid Juan Kapampangan. Ayaw pang magpahinga dito. Sabi ni Coach Benedict, mamaya na tayo magpahinga, tapusin muna natin to and hope that everything comes to us. And for sure, Coach Atoy, Pangilinan of Lakas California and the rest of the Lakas California squad, hoping that Apalit wins the ball game and no more complications.
Oo, siyempre. You want, again, to play for the semifinals. And who know in the finals?
Yun nga yung iniisip nila, no? As let's take a look at this replay once again. This, Lakas steal of the quarter, natin sa inyo ng Winston's Cafe, the official cafe ng Sinag Liga Asia. Siyempre, ang importante dito for Apalit I Love It, they want to end the tournament, or they want to end the elimination round on a good note. And with a win here, they will be going up against the number 2 squad in bracket A, and that is Familia DC sa kabilang bracket dahil nanalo nga si Pabli New York kanina. Si Pabli New York naman ang makakatapat yung number 2 dito kabila, if that will be a matchup to look out for. Pero again, hindi pa tayo tapos kasi dito eh.
Hindi ko maintindihan eh. Eligado, parang he was surprised that he was called for a foul. Kita-kita naman eh. Nandun yung kamay niya in between the hands of one of the players here of Luwid Kapampangan.
Yes.
Again, this is 19 under.
Enriquez misses the first free throw.
Si Enriquez, no? Parang, normally kasi ang spelling ng Enriquez, Z eh.
Yes.
Pero sa kanya, S.
Yes. Eh, dito sa Kapampangan kasi madalas yan mga ano eh. So, mga iba talaga yung spelling eh, ng mga pangalan.
Sa PSA siguro yan.
Siguro nagkamali. Sa side ng father niya, sigurado yan kasi, di ba, dahil ang tatay niya, S. Tuloy-tuloy niya, S na, no?
Pero normally kasi, it's a Z.
Z.
As Del Pogo or Del Poro.
Del Pozo.
Del Pozo, rather.
Russell Del Pozo.
That is his second three-pointer here in our first half.
Whoa!
And talking about Sky
Wow!
High. That is the third time out the alley for Liwanag.
Oh, more Prince Alaw blowing a kiss to Mayor Jun Tango.
As you see there,
5-point swing yan agad,
Oo.
for Palit, I love it.
bilib ako sa depensa nitong bata na to,
Sa pasap naman! Wow! Sa pasap na with 8 points. Pero, nasan yung ibang makakatulong nitong Luwid 1 Kapampangan?
Good seal. Good backs out by Eligado.
Jamir Eligado. Ito naman, liwanag. It's just liwanag. It's a pasap, Para
Again.
dito sa Luwid 1.
Liwanag now na 16 points. 8 out of 10.
8 puntos naman para kay EJ sa pasap. Pero, where are the other players now? Jamir Eligado. And look at that. More Alaw. Another nice find. Papunta dito kay Jamir Eligado. That's assist number 6. And you take a look at that nice assist. Lakas assist of the quarter na natin sa inyo ng SM South Mall. We've got it all for you.
Clearly, Alvin, sabi ni More Alaw, basahin mo. So good backdoor play there by Eligado. More Alaw now on this first half looks like a magician.
Ito si Jamir Eligado. Yan yung talagang laro niya, pang ilalim. Undersized 4.
Very undersized.
Yes, pero yung lapad kasi ng katawan niya, marunong siyang pumwesto sa ilalim. Just like a Draymond Green.
Alam mo,
siya eh.
Draymond Green or more of like a Charles Barkley.
Wow,
Alam mo yun,
pwede.
scorer, 6'4", small forward. Sa kanya mga around 6'2" lang to eh. Pero ang lapad, wala juggernaut yung katawan.
And si Mapua mahilig kasi sa ganyan eh, mga undersized big men. One of their undersized big men, Warren Bonifacio, playing center for as a 6'4". Ang liit nun, pero grabe naman yung ginagawa ng Warren Bonifacio for Mapua.
Hard worker din eh. Again, hard work always beats talent.
Now, Rubillos balik dito ulit kay Liwanag. And I think the game plan here of Coach Jay Shera and Coach Encho Serrano, you let RJ and Zapasap kill us, but the others do not let us kill us.
Exactly. Again, it's a bad transition defense there for
Oh.
Apalit.
Tira agad ni Russell Del Pozo, mintis yan. RJ once again here. RJ, there's a foul on More Alaw. That's the second team foul on More Alaw. And right now, let's turn it over to Francine Capili with this report on EJ Sapasap.
Isa sa mga inaasahan ni Coach John Benedict Buwan to show up for his team is EJ Sapasap, who we know very well from our SLA Juniors League, where he had a very consistently good performance. I asked him what he can say about the trust that his coach gives him, and ang sabi niya sa akin, it motivates him to play even better dahil nga alam niya na malaki ang tiwala sa kanya ng coaches, and he's very grateful for this, especially since it helps him develop his skills as a player. Now back to you, Alvin and Coach Paul.
Thank you very much. And that is a basket there para kay Yusi. And yes, tama nga naman yung statement na yun. Trust yung binibigay niya dito kay EJ Sapasap. Dahil maganda yung nilalaro nito. When EJ Sapasap plays well, that is how Luwid 1 Kapampangan wins. As we take a look at this lakas move na quarter natin sa inyo ng Cable Link and Holdings Corporation.
With the size of Sapasap, Alvin, he can really change the complexion of the game, especially for Luwid. Kasi nga, marunong magdala ng bola, nakakashoot, magaling pumasa. So the way he plays, more than half of that, ganun yung kalalabasan at resulta for Luwid. Tingnan mo ngayon, without Sapasap there, si Liwanag medyo nagabihan na.
Oo nga, matangkad kasi itong si si Isa Pasap as a point guard, and you see there inside, that is,
3-second violation.
is it a 3-second violation? Is it a traveling? Kasi hindi ma-clear. Ang sabi ng mga ng team na kapalit, what's the call?
Daming tao dito.
Maraming tawag eh.
Apalit yan, sigurado, fans.
And now, Liwanag dribbling it. RJ, pass, 3 ball, that is no good. And that will be out of bounds.
Kailangan na ibalik sa pasap. 3
Oo.
straight possessions for Luid. Walang nangyayari.
Oh, let's see. Kung ibabalik na ba ito ni Coach Jonathan Benedict Buwan. Liwanag moving inside. Nice defense by Russell Del Pozo. And no one there to get the ball. As it's now time for Coach Angel Serrano to draw something up. And it's a 44-41 3-point lead for Palit. I love it. Taking a look at the roster once again of Fluid One Kapampangan. These are players na sabi nga ni Coach Benedict Buwan in one of our games yesterday, this is a new lineup with only Liwanag and itong si Sapasap returning from that lineup. But this lineup is a well-trusted lineup by Coach Jonathan Benedict Buwan. And it shows in their game earlier in that big game against itong Clifton City Tigers. And now, it is also showing once again in this matchup against Palit. I love it.
Exactly. Good point there, Alvin. Parang narinig ako ni Coach eh. Sa pass-up now, comes back in for Luid Kapampangan.
Pero penalty situation na.
Exactly.
That's a bad foul.
Oo. 4 straight possessions na for Luid. Walang nangyayari.
That would mean free throws here. That's a miss there for More Alaw. That's Encho Serrano. When talking about De La Salle point guards, di ba? Encho Serrano giving his knowledge to a former De La Salle Green Archers himself, More Alaw.
Oo. Now, UE
UE
commit.
Red Warrior, yes. Committed to the Red Warriors. And Coach Jack Santiago.
And also, L.A. Revilla.
Yes, L.A. Revilla is their as lead assistant coach there.
Yeah, I've talked with those guys on Cebu. Oh, big guard. Sayang eh. Good steal there by Alaw. Nabitawan lang talaga.
Now, baba mo na ng bola dito si Sapasap. Approaching the 2-minute mark here in the second quarter. Manigid. The 3 ball. No good. Rebound. Eligado. And forward pass here. You see. Inangat. And he was fouled.
Clearly a foul there. Alam mo, ito yung maganda. We have 2 widescreen here inside Bren Zigyao. Pagkita mo sa replay, baka mahiya kasi eh.
Oo nga naman. Pero alam mo, itong ating widescreen dito, this is just one of the new features dito sa Bren Zigyao. If you can remember before, di ba nga dito nag-start ang Sinag Liga Asia sa loob ng Bren Zigyao Convention Center, wala pa yung widescreen na yan. Wala pa.
Even though yung nag-pro kami, wala pa rin.
Wala pa rin.
Oo.
Pero habang tumatagal, syempre, it's not just Sinag Liga Asia that is playing here. Lots of leagues are playing here. And also, syempre, MPBL is playing here. Wherein one of their squads being coached by Governor Dennis Del Pineda. Why not pagandahin natin? Ito ang ating home court dito.
Exactly. Silang yung nag-champion eh. Pampanga Giant Lanterns eh. Oh, napaganda mo yung
Yes.
Was it an assist? Pwede.
46-43 our score. Tatlong ang kalamangan. The pass ni Diamante. At kita mo si Eligado, no, nandun lang sa painted area. Tumatakbo lang from one area to another.
Yeah, he's looping there.
And
Just
yun,
looping on the drive. Going downhill ito si Diamante kanina.
and Amir Eligado. Kanina nga nakausap ko to si Amir Eligado. Sabi nga niya, hindi nga siya masyadong ginamit in their game against itong Clifton Tigers. But right now, 14 points already for Amir Eligado and 5 rebounds.
Exactly. At first half pa lang tayo.
Who says that being undersized will not lead you to somewhere inside the paint?
Oo, again, positioning is all about getting that rebound. It's all about positioning. Importante yan eh.
So ngayon, sa pass-up, bring down the ball. Sa pass-up, the 3. No good. Gonatise, wala pa rin. Rebound scramble, napulot ni De La Cruz. De La Cruz, wala pa rin. And fourth time's a charm. Para kay Lacuzong. 1 minute remaining here. More Alaw. Alaw says, let me take care of this. Let me dance. And dance all the way for the score.
Really, a mismatch there. Good read. Pero yun lang, hindi bumalik sa depensa on the transition defense. Oh, good foul there by Lugto. Gusto ko yung foul ni Lugto ha. Should have been an easy put back there. Pero alam niya maliit siya, wala siyang chance ha. One free throw ka na lang.
And again, Coach Benji Navarro, just like yesterday. Ito na naman po si Coach Benji. And a warning is called on Coach Benji Navarro here. Or continuous complaining. And let me just tell you a story. This happened yesterday in that game against Lakas, California. The same thing happened. Coach Benji was shouting at the officials. And Coach Benedict Juan was just silent there.
Oh, salamat nga sila yung referee natin ito. You know, may pasensya talaga.
Gonatise gets the board. Gonatise. That's a dribbling violation. Good call.
Hindi pinasa eh.
Substitution now here. Offense, defense, substitution now here. Kailangan mo ng isang offensive rebounder. Papasok mo si Buksit. At ipapasok mo rin dito sa lineup ngayon for them is Luis Gilias. So dito sigurado may mga nado-draw up silang mga plays dito eh. Na ganito mga sitwasyon, no?
Oo, last shot eh.
More Alaw. Looking to dance. Pero sabi niya, let me take the 3. That's short. So 11.3 seconds remaining here. And Coach Benedict Juan says, let me use my final timeout of the first half. As the score is 49-45, 11.3 seconds remaining dito. And Coach Benedict Juan will say to his boys, let's use the clock wisely for this last shot.
And for sure, this will be the last shot here on our first half. And for Apalit, gusto ko isub dyan si Moralaw para hindi makakomit ng foul. At itong si Diamante, they can still foul. Siguro, just waste around 4-3 dribbles, then fouling.
Yes, they have a 1 foul to give pa. Para bago sila pumasok sa penalty situation. And again, what's at store here? Kaya po ganito ang mga pinag-uusapan natin. The winner of this matchup, if Apalit I Love It wins, they will go on to meet in the next round, the semifinals, itong Familia DC. While, again, if Apalit wins, Lakas California will go on to the semifinals to meet Pabli New York.
Ay, sigurado nanood yan live.
Nanonood yan. Sigurado si Coach Atoy, Steven Pangilinan, and the rest of Lakas, California. But there's a foul downstairs on Ashton Novillo. But if Luwid 1 Kapampangan wins, then we will have a different scenario. A three-way for that situation.
And for sure, Coach Jonathan Benedict Buwan and Benji Navarro, alam nila ilan yung points na needed nila.
Yun nga.
Imposible yan, hindi nila alam eh.
Pinag-aralan na nila yan
Oo,
kanina.
that's their job.
At kanina nga, sabi nga nila, Coach, kanina sa akin, in that game against against itong Clifton, mukhang malaki-laki yung kailangan nila gawin dito. And with a close game like this, hindi makakatulong itong ganitong klase ng laro.
Exactly.
That is an offensive foul. Ito, substitution ulit. Offense, defense. We bring in Franz De La Cruz. We bring in other players. Also, possibly get stops here or get an offensive run here. Ito naman, stop naman papasok dito ng Louis One and Justin Ignea.
Sigurado may criss-cross to eh.
Ito, 3 seconds. Russell, the pass, and that will be it. That will not count even if it went in. So it is a 4-point lead for Apalit. I love it. Let's first take a look at some of the highlights here. EJ Sapasap, coast to coast, but more Alao orchestrating well here para sa koponan ng Apalit. I love it with 6 assists at half, but the high in the sky play tandem of RJ Liwanag and EJ Sapasap trying to lead them against more Alao and the rest of the Apalit. I love it as they lead by 4, 49-45.
Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Mga kasinag, panoorin ang salpukan sa mundo ng basketball. Watch the world play sa SLA Junior World Showcase sa July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga, Philippines. See you!
Yan na naman siya. Says, kalma lang tayo. Lamang tayo ng isa. There's a foul away from the play. Sandwich between two.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
pala si Justin Bautista ng Pampanga Delta. Tutok lang po kayo sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga, kahit di sabihin. Feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
Good evening mga kasinag. Before we continue to the second half of our game, I am joined by the Vice Mayor Peter Newcomb of Apalit, Pampanga. Good evening po sa inyo. Now, Vice, my question to you is, we can see that you're very supportive and present sa games ng Apalit. Aside from being present palagi sa games, ano pa po yung other ways na ginagawa nyo para masuportahan ang basketball team ng Apalit?
Okay, first and foremost, good evening sa nanonood sa SLA. No, itong programang ito dahil international na to yung ating laban. So yung Apalit Thai Lab aside being a vice mayor, talagang ginagawa natin yung bagay na para makasuporta lalong-lalo na sa ating mga players ng Apalit Thai Lab.
Ngayon, baka meron po kayo mga gustong batiin at pasalamatan.
At siyempre, unang-una, nagpapasalamat tayo kay Governor Dennis Delta Pineda sa kanyang pag-host dito sa Pampanga, sa SLA League, na talagang sa mga venue, sa kanyang mga serbisyo, lalong-lalo na sa accommodation ng ating mga lalaro, ay talagang ginagawa niya yung full of support, lalong-lalo na sa sports ng basketball. And of course, sa ating Mayor Junte Tangco, talagang ginagawa nilang lahat para talagang yung mga nanonood sa bayan ng Apalit ay magiging masaya na ang kanilang suporta ay 100% from sa mga practice hanggang sa kanilang games.
Thank you po so much, Vice Mayor. Again, Vice Mayor Peter Newcomb of Apalit, Pampanga. Now back to the panel.
Thank you very much, Francine. And our score at the half, 49-45. And we will be right back for our halftime analysis and to resume this ball game at the third quarter when we come back.
Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
We are at the halftime of this final elimination matchup in the 19 under ng inyong SLA Junior World Showcase. 49-45 our score here. Palit, I love it. On top here by 4 as Alvin Tañada together with Poloven would like to give you our halftime highlights dito po sa laro na ito. And this game was there's a different story for each of the quarter. Luid Juan Kapampangan started off strong in the first quarter, but in the second quarter, Apalit I Love It got their rhythm, and it was Hamir Eligado leading the way, but more Alaw's distribution of the ball. Take a look at that, 10 assists, 6 sa 10 assists na yan, galing kay More Alaw.
Field goal advantage, clearly. Apalit, I Love It, walang kapalit. 55% kaya lamang sila ng 4 na points. Again, rebound, Luid Juan Kapampangan, plus 5 doon. Bench points, again, medyo kulang na walang Garcia dito for Apalit, I Love It.
But you take a look at more maids. Itong Luid Juan Kapampangan, 22-19, but because of the 3-point shooting of Apalit I Love It, 5 of 11, they are on top here as Ligado and UC leading the way here. Russell Liwanag, RJ Liwanag leading the way with 18 to lead all scorers para dito sa Luid Juan Kapampangan. And we start the third quarter of action here. Alvin Tayada again, Jared Poloven and Francine Capili manning the sidelines here. And her reports all throughout the day. And Tipinyo ngayon pupunta sa free throw line to shoot 2 here. Tipinyo missing the first.
Again, UC, sabi niya wala daw foul. Offensive foul daw yun eh.
Second free throw on Tipinyo. That's 0 of 2. Ika nga may kasabihan tayo kung sabi nila gano'n. Ball don't lie.
Ball don't lie.
I heard that motto from one player. That is Rashid Wallace.
Oh, no, yeah, exactly.
Rashid Wallace.
When he used to play for the Detroit Pistons.
Yes, and I heard that in latter pa sa kanyang career sa New York Knicks, no? Parang ang hirap paniwalaan ng New York Knicks si Rashid Wallace, but More Alaw now scoring inside. At sigurado magre-react si Direk Nomar. Naglaro rin sa Celtics yan, si Rashid Wallace.
Yeah, almost they win that championship as the 1 for 3.
RJ is good. 21 points here.
When in doubt, shoot!
More Alaw now. Gives it up to Diamante. Diamante with 6 points. Tahimik na 6 puntos dito for George Diamante. Dagdagan mo pa ngayon ng 2. So, 8 puntos yan para kay Diamante. Quick attempt. Uy! Grabe yung blank na yun. A Michael Jordan kind of block. If you can remember that block on Ron Mercer. Grabe, ganong klase. Hinabol niya.
Hindi ko maalala yun, pero yan, may edad ka na kasi, Alvin Tanyada.
Sorry But that was the latter years of Michael Jordan with the Washington Wizards.
So Ron Mercer was playing for the Chicago Bulls.
Chicago Bulls.
Okay.
Right now, Tipinyo, the 3 ball, still short. Eligado with the rebound, gives it up to More Alaw. More Alaw! Almost, but no good for More.
Masyadong binaby yung layup, i-open na sana eh.
And sa pass up. And sabi ni Eligado, access denied.
Butata doon. Eligado has been playing all over the floor. Rebounding, scoring, shot blocking, you name it, he have it.
RJ no good on that 3-point attempt. At hindi nagkaamuyan yung dalawang kakampi. Luckily, Russell Del Pozo was there to get the ball.
Exactly.
The drive inside. Uy! Alam mo yung iniisip ba ni Diamante isalpak yun?
Oh, parang yes, he was thinking about dunk pero medyo kinapos eh.
Tapos yung talon kasi niya eh.
Oo.
So, pwedeng idakdak niya or pwedeng i-lay up na lang niya.
Oh, he was second guessing himself. Pero kung nakuha niya yun, wow!
Alam mo isang player ng alala ko mga ganun, yung bitin sa ere, Sam Boylim, Vergel Meneses, those kinds of players. Kenneth Doremdes. Let's take a look at that. Mister mo, he was looking for a slam dunk, but teka lang, bitin eh.
Oh, nabitin talaga. And we know that itong si Diamante, a pride of Davao, he can clearly dunk if gusto niya.
Oo. Sabi ko nga, kay Doremdes, dagdag mo pa yung Polo Ben kung kaya mag-slam dunk.
As a pass-up, what a gorgeous drive there. nakita mo kanina anong ginawa namin, di ba?
Oo.
Tinuruan ko si tight to yung muscle niya kasi
Tight yung muscle niya.
sa likod.
And let's take a look at this lakas drive of the quarter. Brought to you by CDO Foods, your food that brings you home. Yung mukhang kailangan lang ng mga pointers mula sa nag-iisang coach, Paul Hoben.
Oh, pero nakita lang natin nakatulong tayo konti. As you can see that chance of an N1 play, he did complete it. That is 9 point with 4 assists.
And pero more Alaw says, I can get into double figures now. 10 points for more Alaw together with 6 assists.
A quiet night for more Alaw, but alam naman kasi natin, a willing passer eh.
Okay, EJ sa pasok binigay kay RJ. Liwanag now. Looking to dance his way. Baniked. Nice spin cycle pero nasobrahan ng lakad.
Oh, sayang. Maganda na sana. Traveling lang.
Franz de la Cruz checks in. Papalitan itong si Elijah Yusi. Elijah Yusi naitabla na yung kanyang average of 11 points here in this ball game. Tahimik na 11 puntos for Elijah Yusi.
Mismatch to. Isolation in the middle.
Sasayawan niya ni Mor Alaw. Pero nice pass inside. Hamir Eligado once again.
Wow. Alaw again. What a beautiful pass and a good read by Eligado.
7 assists for more Prince Alaw. Liwanag to sa pass-up. Sa pass-up. Looking to move inside. Nice play. But to Novel, Franz de la Cruz. Natapikan, Baniked. Inangat yung bola, wala pa rin. And rebounded by Hamir Eligado. Pero mama sa tuhod daw ni Hamir Eligado.
That's the first time Liwanag missed and up the alley. But before that, tingnan natin.
Alam mo, grabe yung pagsayaw nito ni Mor Alaw. That lakas assist of the quarter natin sa inyo ng SM South Mall. We've got it all for you. Parang naalala ko lang parang Boss Ray Alaw lang yung galawang ganun eh, no?
Eh, wala. Yung tatay, hindi na mamasa yun, titira yun. Bakit mo pa ipapasa? Diba?
Sir, EJ sa pass-up misses the 3. The jumper is still no good. Remot, nawala pa rin. And yun lang.
Alam mo, ito si Remot, gusto ko eh. Simple lang. You know, walang kaarte-arte. Looper, hindi na pumasok. But, alam mo, mana Freddy Abuda.
Oo, yun, Fred.
Hindi malakas tumalon, pero nakaka-rebound.
Freddy Abuda, mga Chris Jackson, mga ganong player nun.
Oo,
no?
hindi nakakadunk. Alam mo yun?
Yung
yung parang may knock of the ball, no?
Kumbaga, tawag nila dyan dati, garbage man.
Oo.
Tagapulot ng basura sa ilalim.
Sabi nga nila may pera sa basura.
Oo, may pera sa basura. Ito ngayon, Diamante. Siya naman nasusubok. Isolation. But he got the screen mula kay Eligado. Diamante all the way for the score. 10 points now for Gio Diamante.
Bad defense there for sa pass-up. So bumawi.
Sa pass-up na pass, extra pass, and yun na, hinahanap mo, Remot. Garbage into gold, yun ha.
Exactly.
Kasi nawala na yung pasa na yun, tumama na sa paa, pinulbat, tinan mo ang replay.
Yeah, pero yung basa na, nandun siya kasi eh. O, tingnan mo.
Yun,
Simple
nandun
lang
pa
yun.
rin eh.
Left hand, nabangga yung ulo niya, chance of an N1 play.
So Remot will shoot the bonus here. Remot makes the free throw to
Tapos,
go.
alam mo yung Alvin, alam mo yung mga mukha ng magagaling na player? Di ba nakikita mo yung angas, yung katawan. Ito si Remot parang wala eh. Alam mo yung parang bystanders lang sa gilid. Pero pag pinalaro mo, wow.
Yung pala may kayang nga mag-perform in any way possible.
O tingnan mo nga yung katawan, walang kakakat-kat, walang kamuscle-muscle, mga baby fats pa. Pero epektibo eh.
Epektibo. And talking about effectiveness, ito, Franz de la Cruz, one of the effective players before dito for Pampanga. And now he's playing for a Palit. I love it. Ashton Avilio now will check in. Franz de la Cruz will be shooting. Second free throw.
Sayang, naka-play na sana yun eh.
Ay, kasi meron tayo sa FIBA rules na kapag ganyan, pag nakashoot at gusto pumasok, syempre,
Yeah, syempre.
automatic yon.
Knockout play na sana yun eh. Touchdown. Again, to the new people there watching us live on our live streaming on our Facebook and YouTube, si Nagliga Asha. Luwid Kapampangan needs to win onto this game to force a triple tie. At ito namang apalit kapalit, I love it. They're already on our semifinal round bukas.
Yes, yun nga. And let's turn it over now to Francine Capili with this report on the one and only RJ Liwanag.
Last game's best player RJ Liwanag says that hindi niya daw iniisip masyado ang kanyang magiging performance. Thus, his focus is doing everything that he can para makapag-contribute sa panalo dahil this is a must-win for them. Kahit may onting pagod, ilalaban pa rin niya dahil he wants to help achieve the goal of their team na umabot sa finals and hopefully makalaban sa championship. Now back to you, Alvin and Coach Paul.
Thank you very much, Francine. And dito, yun nga yung gusto mangyari nito ni RJ. Siyempre, makapaglaban pa sa championship. Pero before niya isipin na makalaban sa championship, siyempre gusto mo nila makapasok sa semifinals.
Exactly, pero sino namang hindi gusto maglaro ng finals?
Siyempre. Oo, siyempre.
Kahit sino gusto
Kahit
maglaro
sino naman eh.
So, kailangan ibigay mo talaga lahat.
And siyempre, dito pa man din ginaganap sa Pampanga. Bakit nga naman hindi? Diba? Ibigay na natin yun doon. Sa pass-up. Or sa Lacusong. Moves in. The pass to De La Cruz, no good. De La Cruz smothered by Drew Jimenez. The fast break, Moore, alaw. Masyadong malakas ang layup. Remot now, kontra Drew Jimenez. And Drew Jimenez, shot block number 2.
Back-to-back stop there for Jimenez. Pero alam mo, yes na block itong Remot. Pero alam mo, epektibo pa rin eh.
Alam mo yung tignan natin itong shot block na to ni Drew Jimenez. Sabi ni Drew, huhulihin kita, huli niya. That lakas block of the quarter at sa inyo ng 0107 Management Group Incorporated. And ito, tira ng 2 free throws to si Sapasap. At kwento ko lang sa'yo, Paul. Last March, itong si Franz de la Cruz played for Level Up Lubao. He was a judge as the best player of the game in that game. Pero grabe yung performance niya. He was a teammate of CJ Delfino for Level Up Lubao. Now he is playing dun sa team na nakalaban nila in the finals, which is Apalit. I love it.
O, kasi kailangan din lumakas itong Apalit eh. So, Junior World Showcase na kasi tayo eh.
Parang ang pinag-uusapan dito, yes, we're bringing the municipality of Apalit, but we're doing it for the Pampanga crowd.
Oo, kasi kailangan talaga. Eh, kung they will stick to their guns, mahirap na.
Yes, syempre, Pampanga has a representative in the 23 under in the Pampanga Delta. The 17 under, they are represented by the Pampanga Pradera. So dito, syempre, meron din dapat silang representative sa 19 under, and that is how the Apalit I Love It squad has been formed. And syempre, all-out support si Mayor Jun Tatanco dito sa ginawa nila na kupunan. Getting other players to help out, syempre. Pero syempre, most of the players here, 85% of the players are from Pampanga. As Drew Jimenez scores inside.
Good recognition there by Alaw. Good steal din for Jimenez.
Inside na naman, atake ni that is Gonatice, no good. And De La Cruz, third serving, wala. Fourth serving, and more Alaw will be called for the foul.
Alam mo, what more Alaw did earlier on their possession, yun yung kailangan maintindihan ng mga point guard na nanonood. You need to reward your big man. Gusto nyo screen, gusto nyo ng rebound. On that seal, hindi nyo papasahan. Reward your big man.
And bigyan natin muna ng score updates yung ating mga kasinag dito. Right now, happening over the FEU Gymnasium. This is the 17 under matchup. Pampanga Pradera on top against Clifton, 75-46, the fourth quarter of action. So yan po yung mga nagaganap dyan po sa FEU Gymnasium. So yun po yung mga aabangan natin dyan. And over there at dyan sa The shot clock is not moving. Shot clock is not moving here. They have to check. And I guess they did not see that, but Ashton Novillo Bonatise.
Last shot na tayo.
Last shot tayo dito. Sapasap moves in. Sapasap scores! And they will count that basket as the lead of Apalit, I love it, has been cut down. 2-2, 65 to 63. And we are in for an exciting fourth quarter. Kung saan si RJ Liwanag, Moore Prince Alaw, Amir Eligado, and EJ Sapasap. All these players wanting to take home a victory for their respective squads. But right now, Apalit on top by 2, heading into the fourth quarter of action. Expect a heart-stopping end to our 19-under elimination round.
Ako si Underdog ng Pampanga Delta. Tutok lang sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
Just like Moore, George Diamante is ready to give his 100% despite the loaded game schedule. Ang sabi niya, hindi pa nga ako nakakaramdam ng pagod and he's still ready to contribute for his team more than he did on their last games. Kaya naman, let's expect Diamante to shine bright like a diamond. Now, back to you, Alvin and Coach Paul.
Wala pa palang pagod yun, Paul? Wala pa palang pagod yun si George Diamante. Pero tinan mo, yung tama dito sa may left eyebrow niya. And it happened, I think, in one of the practices daw na tinamaan siya dyan. Pero tinan mo, wala pa rin pala siya pagod dun.
Eh, alam naman nila, trabaho to. Again, they're, building up their name. Again, expect the unexpected here in our last and final quarter. Ooh, what a drive there by Eligado. Just bad defense by Sapasap. Oo, Sapasap.
And Amir Eligado now with 18 points. Pero RJ still doing wonders here. And update nga natin, last game na po doon sa 17 under sa Bacolor Mini Convention Center. Max Davao going up against Lakas California. That is the last game there. Enzo Galarosa together with Coach Pancho Alfonso doing that last game in the 17 under as UC scoring inside 13 points for him. Now RJ looking to dance against UC. RJ, oh, scoring inside.
Malasamboy lim talaga. Sky high play there for RJ Liwanag. His 27th point here in our ball game at hindi pa tayo tapos.
Pero again, Luid needs to win big here. 3-pointer no good para kay Diamante. Diamante! Yun, sinimplihan na. Hindi na niya pinilit yung isang high in the sky play. But that's still a good layup there.
Oo. Sinigurado na. Sapasap. Two-man
Nice
game.
pass.
Good pass.
De La Cruz, oh! What he needed to do here, one more fake sana.
Oo.
Para nakatawid pa yung isang band defender.
Otro si Diamante, magaling kasi tumiming din eh.
Tingnan mo yung atake na yan. Parting the Red Sea. Pero eto, Diamante goes on for the layup. It's good.
Stepping lang.
71-67 our score. And as I said earlier before the start of the fourth, expect a exciting finish here. Ashton gives it up to Hamir. Diamante will try his luck from 3, and he does!
When in doubt, shoot! Diamante now has been scorching hot from inside and outside.
And Diamante, basket plus the foul.
What a move there by Diamante. Behind the back, step through. Chance of an and one play. If you don't love that, you don't love
Basketball.
Amen.
I like Diamante hitting a three. And now, this lakas drive of the quarter, hatid sa inyo na CDO Foods Weird Food that brings you home. And 17 points for George Diamante. Grabe. Diamante, an efficient shooting, 6 of 9 shooting, 2 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 steal, 1 block, complete stat line, meron laman.
Mala Kevin Garnett yun no? Papasa, didepensa, dala bola, suscore, bablock.
At take note, naka-tres pa siya ng isa.
Oo.
RJ now.
One of the weakness for Diamante talaga is yung free throw niya.
But again, look at that UC. Novillo, the extra pass. Ooh! That was a nice block there by Gonatise.
That's a perfect example of don't give up on that play.
And Louis Juan Kapampangan smelling trouble here as they are already down by 10, 77-67. Let me take a look at this nice rejection. Access denied.
As you can see, what you see there, the emotion.
And we have a timeout on the floor.
Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
As we take a look at the tournament format once again, Coach Poloven, how does this, or what is our tournament format in sa 19 under division?
Again, after preliminary round, ito na nga tapos na tayo ngayong araw. Was another steal there by Diamante. Ooh! Slamma jamma!
Kanina pa niya gusto gawin yun Kanina pa niya gusto gawin yun, and we hope to see it one more time. Derek Nomar, please play it now. Yan na po. This lakas moment ay atin sa inyo na converge. Doble na, dinoble pa. Thank you very much, Derek Nomar, for that. Pero, dribbling violation.
Oh, clearly, that's kabo ang tawag sa Bisaya but clearly that Diamante slam, it started with a good defense, needs to be celebrated with a dunk.
7 points this quarter.
Straight.
Oo.
A 7-0 run all by himself.
Sa pass-up now. Natapi ka na naman. Diamante, all the way. Sabi ni Diamante, easy hang na lang to. 9 points straight for Gio Diamante.
Alam mo si Diamante, hari din ng panalay ito sa Mindanao A pride of Davao. Yung mga boss natin dito sa J Project, clearly applauding yung kababayan nila from Davao.
As a substitution here, Laculong will check in at lumalayo na ang palit. I love it. And for sure, Coach Atoy is now very much happy doon sa hotel. Sa Russell Del Pozo missing that. Pero again, 5 minutes and 56. Still a chance for Louis to come back. Enrique scores.
Kaya pa naman. Just a 12-point lead. 1 possession at a time. And I'm talking about Louis Kapampangan. That's a second stop now.
Tumatakbo naman yan. Banikid. Ashton Novillo with a steal. Gives it up to Russell Del Pozo. Diamante!
Oh, this guy is on fire! When in
Gio.
doubt, shoot!
Gio Diamante on fire! Wow!
This is now the biggest lead at 15. As you can see it on this replay, so nice. We need to see it twice.
Last stress of the quarter na yan, hatid sa inyo na Sun Sport, the official basketball of Sinag Liga Asia.
What a breakout game for Diamante. 25 points, 9 out of 12 from the field.
Sa
4
kanya
assists.
Nga, sa kanya nga lahat halos
3 steals and a block. What, he has 12 points this quarter?
Yeah, I think 12 points. We have to double check that.
Around 10 to 12. Kasi nag-7-0 run siya kanina. 12. Kasi may putback, yung may fast break siya.
13 points to be exact. Sa kanya lang lahat.
Oh! Good block there by the number 27 of Kapalit.
We have to stand corrected. It's 15 points straight for Gio Diamante.
Sa kanya lahat eh.
Halos sa kanya lahat. 15 of the 19 points kay Gio Diamante here in the fourth quarter.
And then pagpasok nitong Ralph Macaldo, naghihigawan lahat ng tao eh.
Ito na yung Franz de la Cruz scoring.
Sa pass-up again.
Sa pass-up scoring there.
Yeah, they're gonna exchange basket here. They're still down by 15 with under 5 minutes.
And a stick back. And grabe, the fans are going wild. Grabe.
Sigurado, mga taga-barangay Apalit yan. Or barangay. Municipality ng Apalit.
At yan, last grab of the quarter na yan ay atid sa inyo ng Polytech.
Clearly nun eh. Ang daming fans eh. Pagpasok pa lang, nagsisigawan na.
Parang
hindi pa yung nakashoot ha.
Oo, isa ito sa mga fan favorites, ika nga, ng Apalit. I love it.
Siguradong local yan.
Local.
A pride of Apalit. Tingnan nga natin, may team profile tayo, hindi lang talaga kompleto eh.
Double check mo nga, mukhang wala dyan eh.
Sayang, na-miss lang yung free throw.
Now sa pass-up, running it. Sa pass-up, good block there. Or a good foul there by More Alaw. Sa Apalit that's only their second team foul.
Exactly.
And substitution here. Lalabas si Enriquez, babalik sa laro. Itong si De La Cruz. Sa pass-up will shoot 2 here. More Alaw, 10 points, 8 assists. UC with 13 points. Jamir Eligado with 18 points and 9 rebounds. Gio Diamante with 25 points in the ball game. That is 15 in the fourth quarter alone. Those numbers, dagdag mo pa yung 7 ni Franz de la Cruz. Lots of players contributing here for this Apalit I Love It squad.
Talking about Apalit, they scored 23 here. Hindi pa tayo tapos on our fourth quarter. 15 galing kay Diamante.
Now More Alaw. Siya naman yan dadala ng bola and that is a turnover here.
Oh, just a miscommunication there for De La Cruz.
Oh.
You know, for me, that's a good pass there for Alaw. Itong si De La Cruz, dapat hanggang sa short lang short corner. Pumunta pa ng corner eh.
Pero sabi ni Jong Banayat, mali daw siya doon. So, ball possession will go back to the guys in white. More a 3. And that's forcing his shot there.
Medyo pwede pa yung dalawang dribble eh. 4 seconds on the shot clock.
And taking a look at the proud father of More Alaw, the president and CEO of Sinag Liga Asia, Boss Ray Alaw. At sigurado proud na proud to si Boss Ray Alaw sa tinatakbo ng karera ng dalawang anak niya. Just dalawa, tatlo.
Siyempre, pag ikaw yung tatay, all you need is, if you see your daughter, your son is enjoying what they're doing, wala ka nang iisipin pa.
Yes, oo. More Alaw playing his best basketball as of late. And then, si Coach Ernest being a good coach right now.
Yeah, former Jerry Ubama.
Yeah, former Jerry. And syempre yung mas bata si King, naglalaro din ngayon for RC Ramos. So, ang daming talagang basketball in their blood.
Eh, syempre yung tatay, ball is life din eh.
Ball is life din. Si Boss Ray Alaw as we have a timeout on the floor. A pallet. I love it. Looking good here with 3 minutes and 27 remaining here in the fourth.
Ako nga po pala si Justin Bautista ng Pampanga Delta. Tutok lang po kayo sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
Taking a look at Mayor June Tetango. Mukhang nagtatawag na siya. Pakihanda na yung pagkain ng mga bata. Dahil mukhang papasok tayo sa semifinals.
You can take a look at the back of a pallet. All the fans there, sigurado mga pamilya yan, taga-munisipyo ng Apalit, nandito, sumusuporta.
Yes. All-out support nga po sila. Franz de la Cruz off the bench with 7 points. And ito, na-rebound na naman ang Louis Duan. They have to start scoring baskets here if they want to get a comeback here. Atake dito ni Lacruzong, no good. Rebound recovered. De La Cruz, wala napuntahan ang bola.
Oh, I think he slipped there. Tinira na lang talaga niya.
Smothering defense, no? Franz de la Cruz moves in. Franz, layup is good.
Oh, that layup of De La Cruz is possible. Good seal there by Macaldo. Yung mga sinasabi ko, quality minutes.
9 points for Franz de la Cruz and assist number 9 for More Alaw. RJ, the pass inside, steal for More. Alaw for 3. Money!
1, 2, 3. Alaw. I think that will be the nail to the coffin there.
Could be the nail in the coffin. And everything looks like it's set in the 19 under as we are about to enter the twilight zone. The last 2 minutes. But before that, there's a foul.
Good foul there for More Alaw.
Ito, pasok na ngayon.
Platoon.
The bench mob. Ika nga. Completing it. Let's take a look at this play once again. More Alaw, that lakas-shot of the quarter natin sa inyo. Ng CDO Foods Beer. Food that brings you home. And More Alaw already feeling yung pagod dito. The 3 there by RJ Liwanag. It's good. Plus a basket there. Now with this impending win of Apalit, I love it, Coach. Right now, it's set. We will have
the top two teams on their bracket
already in their bracket. For bracket A, number 1, Fably New York. They will be going up against Lakas, California. So it's a US-based squad contra US-based squad in that matchup. And then our second game, it is going to be Familia DC going up against Apalit. I love it. So the lone Filipino, talagang pure Filipino squad is Apalit. I love it in that 19 under. So that is going to be an exciting matchup once again. Anthony Pineda kontra kay More Alaw. Oh, exciting yan. And Coach Bentley Buwan says, hindi nyo ba nakikita yan? Open na open. And it looks good now. Apalit, I love it. Loving everything right now.
Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Watch the world play. And this is how We want to show everything. More Alaw and the rest of the Apalit, I love it, saying we are going to the semifinals. And the Sigurado scouting are their opponents right now.
Correct me if I'm wrong, no? Ang dinagdag ng Apalit, Diamante, Alaw, and Garcia.
Yes, and syempre, madadagdagan pa yan bukas with an addition of an MVP in the 19 under division na naglaro rin for the Pampanga Delta squad.
Delta squad.
That is an incoming FEU Tamaraw. Pre, ingat-ingat lang tayo.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, si Mr. Pre pala.
VJ Pre will be playing tomorrow in that semifinals.
Yeah, I was surprised. He was there in the lineup. Hindi pa siya naglaro ng isang game, tama?
Hindi siya nakapaglaro.
No?
But again, he's part of that as RJ Liwanag. Much needed rest for this guy.
32 points, 14 out of 20 from the field, 4 assists, 3 rebounds, and 2 steals. What can you ask for this guy? Ginawa na lahat eh. Kinulang lang talaga.
Kinulang. Hindi, no help at all. The 4 players in double figures here for Apalit. I love it. Led by Gio Diamantes, 25 points. Kami relegado with 18 points. 13 parehas para kay Prince Alaw and UC. And basket there. And the fans are going wild here for Lawrence Nugto.
Oh, big man's move there by a big boy. This number 4 of Luwid Kapampangan.
At dito, pinag-uusapan natin, Coach Paul Del Mundo. Let's take a look first at this shot. That rebound by Lugto, wide open. And the fans are going wild here. Del Mundo will shoot the bonus here.
Crowd favorite din eh.
Marami silang crowd favorite dito dahil nga sobrang star-studded na squad na to ng Apalit. I love it. Some of their players, hindi na masyado nagagamit eh. Ang mga Apalit pride. So, whenever given a chance to be fielded in, bakit hindi? And Echo Serrano there.
Nung sinabi mo, naisip ko kasi Coach Hammer Antonio eh, bakit naman hindi? Di ba?
Oo nga naman. Siyempre, shout out to Coach Hammer, Coach Martin Antonio. Isa sa mga kaibigan natin in the broadcast industry.
May mga coach yan eh. Yan, isa. Bakit naman hindi? May isa pa yan. Pag may pa-foul ka, tapos kinapitan mo, sasabihin na yan. Huwag tayong kakapit sa kalaban. Kapit tayo kay Jesus.
Yun!
Diba? Kapit tayo kay Jesus. Huwag sa kalaban. Coach Hammer Antonio. All the way from QC.
Yes. The proud San Beda alumnus.
Oo. Clearly, that's a champion. Yun yung bago ngayon eh.
Oo.
Hindi ko lang anong tawag doon. Parang pro-hop ba yun?
Yung pro-hop. Pero kasi yung pro-hop na pagka same foot siya, that's a travel. Pero if it's a different foot, that's not a travel.
Still, Luwid Juan Kapampangan still playing very hard. That's number 12 for you, Ignio. Yun yung importante eh. I applaud what Coach Benedict Buwan and Benji Navarro are telling his players. Forget about the scores. If you're filled in, play hard.
Oo, tuloy mo na lang. Kasi syempre, you are given a chance to perform in this international competition. Why not? Banyes. And they get a score there.
Gusto natin eh. Laban pa rin eh.
And look at Coach Benedict Buwan says, pressure muna tayo. And that's a steal there. Tipino inside for the score. 12-point lead still. And almost a turnover. That's a turnover. Pero if we're Apalit, I love it. We're not gonna be happy with this. Ang daming turnovers in the last few seconds to close out the game.
Again, it's a matter of being disciplined. But, credit the heart of Coach Benj Chua. If nakikita mo, si Coach Benj, Jonathan Buwan, still playing, talking to his players. Play hard.
Yes.
As if this is your last game.
This is their last game, possibly.
Exactly.
In this tournament. In this tournament. We're talking about this tournament. But again, we hope to see Luwid Juan Kapampangan again in our other tournaments sa ating Sinag Liga. Asha, that is a foul. 7.5 seconds. So again, playoff picture now set in the 19 under. Aabangan na natin. 23 under na set na rin natin ang playoff picture. The finals will be on Sunday. It will be Pampanga Delta going up against itong Familia DC, SLA International. And dito naman sa 19 under, it will be the matchup between at Palit I Love It kontra Familia DC. And our second semifinal matchup, it is Fably New York kontra Lakas, California.
And Neo still getting that rebound.
At may foul pa rin eh, no?
Still playing very hard. Yung gusto natin.
Tuloy lang.
Oo, again, discipline, habits. Always play hard. Although, clearly it's already one ball game for Apalit. I Love It.
And 2 free throws now for Igneo. And this will just be, kumbaga, pang-close na lang natin, di ba?
Oo, we're just waiting for the final score.
And Igneo, the second free throw is good. And natapik pa dito. 1.9 seconds remaining. And Coach Benedict says, pwesta na doon, tama na, baba nyo na. Tama na tayo. Pero doon pa rin yung pressure, nakapalit, I Love It, and lobe to. And we will take out that basket. But
parang pasok pa yun, ha? A steal and a field goal.
And they will count the basket. And they enter the century mark here. So Apalit I Love It taking home the victory here. 186. They have now set up a date with itong ang Pamilya DC. While Lakas, California will be entering the semifinals going up against Fably New York. Once again, our final score, it is 100-86 at 14-point victory para dito sa Apalit I Love It. And what a game here. All right, there you go. And we're having fun here.
Grabe eh. We were entertained by
Sobra.
Apalit. And of course, itong Diamante, 15 straight points coming from them. And it propelled them with a big win. Hindi na nga kailangan nila manalo eh.
Oo, siyempre. Pero walang iba naman kung sino bibigyan natin ng best player of the game. Kasama ni Francine Capili, the one and only scoring 15 points in that fourth quarter, Gio Diamante. Go ahead, Franz.
I'm joined by Sinag, best player of the game from Apalit I Love It, George Diamante, with 25 points, 2 rebounds, 4 assists, 3 steals, and 1 block. First of all, congratulations. Kahit close ang game noong first quarters, malaki pa rin ang naging contribution mo with 15 points on the fourth quarter. Nakapagpakuha ito ng panalo sa inyo. Paano mo ito nagawa at ano ang naging inspiration mo?
Sobrang taas ng energy ng mga kasama ko. Kaya yun, nadala ko yung magandang performance ko ngayon.
Baka meron ka mga gustong batiin at pasalamatan.
Yung mga tropa ko, at saka mga teammates ko, at saka sa buong Apalit, at saka kay Mayor John, at saka sa pamilya ko, at saka Boss Primo, at saka sa girlfriend ko.
Again, George Diamante, our Sinag best player of the game. Now back to you, Alvin and Coach Paul.
Thank you very much, Francina. Again, our player of the game, Gio Diamante, with what a ball game for him. Kasi 10 puntos lang siya at 3 quarters, pero that 15 points in that fourth quarter alone.
Indeed, it was a very close ball game until Diamante erupted. Started with the defense, ended with a 2-pointer, at yung dunk niya, parang dun umangat talaga yung laro ng Apalit. I love it.
Yes, and grabe, it was a great 8-game slate dito po sa Brenzy Giao Convention Center. And it has been a pleasure working with you once again, Master of Disaster, Paul Joven. Sana magkita pa ulit tayo at magkatrabaho ulit tayo.
You know, the pleasure is mine. Again, thank you, Direk Nomar Santiago. I'll be out tomorrow. Balik na ako. What an enjoyment. George Junior World Showcase that we have. I was surprised kahapon nga 6 straight games kahapon. Nanibago lang. Bago lang.
Naninibago kasi usually sanay tayo. 4
Dalawa.
maximum.
4
4 maximum tayo dati.
Exactly. Maximum na yan. Ha?
Oo, pero it has been a pleasure working with you and we will be missing you for the next few days dito sa Junior World Showcase. But again, we hope to see you and cover with you once again, brother.
Marami pang basketball na mangyayari again.
Marami pa.
Sinagliga Asia. After this, we're going to Cebu, we're going to Mindanao, Visayas, we're gonna tour around the Philippines.
Yes, and again, thank you very much for being with us today. Again, our final score, 100-86, and we will continue with our games. All our games will return back dito sa Brenzy Giao tomorrow with 2 games of our eliminations to start off tomorrow, and then semi-final action na sa pagdating ng hapon for our hardworking men and women of SLA Production, for Francine Cabili, for Kimberly, kanina nakasama rin natin in our other games, for the master of disaster himself, Mr. Paul Oven. My name is Alvin Tañada, and this has been your SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup. Good night, and God bless.